Hey guys, welcome to another day on the shop. Today we're taking a look at some Tecoom seat covers for my not my GMC. They can work for a GMC. This is for my Chevy. So yeah, they're good for covering stuff up like this right here. I don't like that little rip. So got that, got some other striations. This leather's really hard because it's been sun baked pretty good. That's really the only damage I have in the vehicle towards seats and stuff like that. But yeah, let's get into here real quick, and I'll show you the Silverado seat covers. So yeah, pretty sweet. I've already taken a look at them, but let's look at them. So just like last time, these come with some really good instructions of what you got to do, how you got to do it. So yeah, we're gonna get into this and take a look at it and get it in there. I really like the woven look that this is. It's extremely comfortable. It's extra padding and everything else. It's super soft. So, and there's a couple pieces. So like this is the back seat. You also have this little zipper pouch so you can bring down the center console. Then you have the bottom seats, which are pretty good, and then you have the front seats, which are nice. They have these little clips, these hard metal clips, and they are tough little metal clips. So as you see up underneath, this is super duper soft, and this is going to cover up any imperfections. And if you have cloth seats, it's a good upgrade because this feels like leather. So it is pretty nice. We're going to get this installed. All right, so let's take a look at the directions here. So this is what we've got. We've got two front seats, headrest all the way across. We've got the 60/40 cushions for the rear. All right, we've got these little clips everywhere. And so the way you're going to do this is it shows it right here. You're going to pop off the headrest, and then you're going to start putting this whole thing on the front seats, clip it in, put the headrest on, clip everything in up underneath. Come to the back seats, same thing. You're going to put everything in, Velcro it together, and it all links together so where it doesn't come off very easily. It will protect everything, protect your leather, your seats, your cloth seats, whatever else. It'll cover up any stains or anything else you have. But like I said, looking at these seats, especially like in the rear, the leather and all that, but you can have cloth, and the cloth would actually be an upgrade with this setup. So we're going to cover these up because I do have a couple little stains and stuff like that on the leather. The front has those cracks because the leather was never taken care of before me and it was sun baked. So let me get to this and we'll take a look at it. All right, here's the front seat. It needs to be stretched a little bit more in the sun, but it tucks in nicely down here so you don't see that seam. It has a little bulge down here to go between the seat, the top and bottom seat, so this thing doesn't just pull out. It also, come around to the back, has a nice little pocket so you can put stuff in, but as you see, it tucks in very well. And after it gets warm, you can probably stretch it out a little bit more, tighten it up, and it'll probably conform to the seat even better. So if you really want that OEM look, you can get it. But the clips are nice, everything is good towards getting this thing looking a whole lot better than cracked seats, cloth seats, or anything else. So I really like this. It matches my interior pretty well too. So well, that's the front driver's side. So I really enjoy that. So we're going to get to the back real quick and yeah, we'll see how the whole thing looks. Let's do that. All right, let's shine some light on the situation. See that little pinhole right there? That's the way you pop these out. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but let's pop these things out. All right, well, we got it all in. Take a look at it. Looks pretty good. Like I said, this will kind of sit back a little bit more once used, but it is all tucked in. It's all velcroed back. It's all snapped into place up underneath. So all up under here, it's snapped in, if you can see any of that. So we got it all figured out to where we got everything in. You got this little flappy here. You can take that off, fold this down, and there you go. And if you don't want that, you fold it back up, zip this back down, and there you go. So I got that. The back seat, which looks amazing. The front seat looks amazing. Like I said, especially this is a great upgrade for a cloth seat. I've got leather, but like I said, my leather's dried out, cracked, everything else. But this will also protect your seats if you don't want anything on them. So I really like the quality and the look. So that's what is gonna be in here now. And yeah, so the installation is not difficult at all. Like I said, follow these directions and you will come out perfect with it. So yeah, well, if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, just leave me a comment down there. Check out Tecoom. Oh yeah, they come with a little thingy-mabob. Not sure what it's called, but yeah. So thank you for joining into another episode of The Shop. Check out Tecoom and their seat covers. Get you some. So, until next time.